Hello. Okay. My headset was disconnected. I was like, what is going on here? All right, guys. I'm back. Good morning. Small technical difficulties with the headset, but we're good again. Welcome back. Today, I don't even know what day it is already. It's Wednesday, right? Yeah. Welcome back to Trading with David, 305. We're trading the NASDAQ like every day, 9 a.m. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Vakaru, for logging on and watching. Let's see if we can hit another banger today. Catch everybody. Everybody that's sleeping, don't worry. We're going to get them. And they're going to go, damn, I should have been on live. We still have time, though, guys. Let's see here. As you can see, I'm at 838 from yesterday. ATR is currently 34 on the 5-minute time frame. It looks like the news. Where is the news at? Here we go. All right. Let me refresh just in case. Yeah. So we had CPI news at 8:30, and then we have Trump speaking at 4:25. Not going to be on there, but all the big red folder news has happened already, and that's this giant wick right here. So it looks like it popped all the way up here. See how many points that was. $64 points to the upside from the close of the previous candle. And then it looks like it wicked all the way back down to another 60-something points. So a total candle of 128 points, give or take, for that CPI news. I mean, I can see why people try to pass their evals, putting a stop and a stop order and then letting it rip. They could capture like 30 points, but sometimes this candle does this. It does a lot of wiki stuff. Could knock you out, man. So you got to be careful. It's all right. We're going to catch a regular ass move like always. We're not going to be gambling. We're going to trade properly. All right. So let's see. Oh, I think I should put the news on my phone just in case. You know, I don't know. I feel like I need to be on point just in case, man. Let's see. CNBC, here we go. Let's see what they're talking about. If it pops up. Okay, here we go. Crude oil. Of course, that's what they're talking about. Crude oil.
Today, Jim B of A says we now see regime hardline as likely as a quick end, and they have scenarios now that take military ops into Q2, into Q3, maybe Q4.
Oh, that's 150. That's 150 oil.
Right. I mean, we don't know, but would you consider that likely?
No, I think the president knows that the leverage he has is that he could bomb Tehran to the Stone Age. This is the
right.
Curtis.
He could bomb Iran to the Stone Age.
The UK,
I heard they got a new supreme leader in Iran. Dead man walking. Dead man walking. Oh, Lord. It's wild out here, man. It is wild. Let me. Yeah, we've destroyed their infrastructure for sure. Those people are cooked, literally. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, there's no more no more news. CPI already happened, so that's good for us for the New York Open. I'm gonna mark the London high and the London low. Well, look, it kind of already. They never took the London low from yesterday. Oh shit! How about them apples, huh? It's right here. It didn't take it in London again. I'm just gonna mark a new London low then, and leave that one. So there's a lot of liquidity there. If it taps that, shit's gonna act crazy. Lots of liquidity right here. So if this shit gets under here, we're gonna see some crazy ass reaction, I think. Nice rip up, rejection of VWAP, straight down. Try to go up again, straight down. That's the 1 hour time frame. This was yesterday. Massive green giant. That's why I got 800 and something dollars. Kept ripping just a little more, and then eventually massive drop. But still has not swept this low, which is crazy. EMA 200 right here is holding the line. It's holding it. If it gets under that, it's gonna be wild. Let me put the S&P 500 on my other computer here that I like to have it. All right. Hope you guys got your energy drink, your coffee. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you. It grows the channel. We're going to look for a nice trade here today. Let's see. Yeah, that's all they're really talking about is the crude volatility. Oil prices rise despite potential oil reserve release. You know? That's what's making the market so volatile. You know, ATR has been since last week. The ATR's average trading range has been at 35 for the London session or higher, and it's normally at 10, guys. Like the week before that and the week before that and the week before that, it's before the bombings, it was at 10, maybe 16. And then when New York session opened, it would jump to 30s, 40s. Now, since it's already at 30, it jumps to 50s and 70s. It's crazy. And then so the swings of each candle is over 50 to 100 points. It's insanity. It's insanity. And it's hard to manage your risk when you have to put a lot of money on the table just to stay in the trade. It's very difficult, and it's difficult to catch a good move. And that's why a lot of people have been getting destroyed this last week and this week. It's just because first of all, it's very choppy, and it's just been very volatile. It's very difficult to trade, guys, even for the most experienced traders. So if you think you're not doing something right or something like that, it's not you guys. Trust me, it is very difficult right now. I would say this is probably harder than trading all-time highs with this kind of volatility in ATR. Good morning, Soundgeneering. You're not going to miss this episode, right? Don't miss this one. Oh, man. But yeah, like I was saying, it's been really difficult to trade, man. It's been really difficult to trade. Look, this was the open yesterday. This shit was chopping, man, chopping. It got me short here because it turned into like a hammer. And who would have thought? I thought it was gonna at least hit the swing low, guys. It didn't hit the swing low. It got close, and then completely shut up. Stopped me out. Luckily, I had a good stop. It invalidated my short, and I said, okay, well, this thing wants to rip to the moon then. Took a long and ended up green on the day because I took this green giant here. But right after that giant, it hit the swing high here. This is the London high at that time. Hit that and just chopped. Then it completely dropped. I think right before session closed. Yeah, at 3 o'clock power hour, it literally dropped. How many points is it? This is insanity. So if you were trying to go long, it ran out of juice and dropped 242 points and cooked your account. Unless you took the short and then you banked. But it's just very difficult, man. Very difficult to trade this thing. Look at it today. Look at it. Rip up. It's in between the EMAs. So we got EMA 200, EMA 50, and VWAP right here. What is it doing? It tapped VWAP. Tried to go a little higher. Couldn't go. Resistance pivot right here, obviously. Pushed it right back down. Tapped EMA 50. Couldn't go lower. Tried to go back up again. Completely rejected right back down. It's super hard, man. Super choppy. It's been difficult, guys. It's just, these conditions, man. These conditions are what makes or breaks people. Well, we got 15 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens, guys. I hope you guys are ready. I did mark the London low, and the other London low from the previous day still has not been swept, so I have it there. That's why you see two blue lines here. And I'm gonna put, I'm pretty sure I could take these other blue lines out, right? Yeah, that one was swept, so. The other London high is 25,056. Okay, and then the London low, 24,894, 70.75. That's what I got. I could be off by a point or two. I don't know. Let's see. It looks like that high was taken. So just gotta be careful. There is a little room to the upside. Obviously, this imbalance here. We also have this massive imbalance here. So let's see which way this thing wants to go. It's gonna be tricky. It's back to the chop. It's back to the chop. All right. Let's zoom back in. All right, 25,055. That's a London high. Just zooming in, kind of fixed it a bit. All right. ATR is currently 33. Not great, but we don't want it to go over 50, guys, because that's my regular stop loss. If it does go over, I don't know, 48, 49, I will make my stop loss at least 100 points to 110 points, give or take, just to make sure I could survive the swings. If it takes me out, it just invalidated whatever I took, either a long or a short. So right now we're kind of like in a short. So we're kind of in a downtrend, guys. Slight downtrend. It did do a pullback. It could be, it did this. It didn't go any higher, so now it's going down, but now we have EMAs here. It might chop all day, so it might be really difficult. We need this to flip and pretty much go for this imbalance here. This imbalance is from yeah, the 9th. When did that happen? What day is it? The 11th? Okay. That was Monday. Was that Monday? Yeah. Yeah, I think that was, I don't even know. Whatever. The 9th, Monday. But yeah, this imbalance right here. I'm sure it wants to fill some of that before it does anything else, before it goes higher, right? Might want to tap this. Maybe not fill the whole thing, but fill some of it. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of buyers down here, though. Liquidity under here must be serious. So let's see. ATR 33. You guys already know the sounds. If you guys watch the stream, Amia. There we go.
Green Giant.
Yes, Green Giant. You'll hear that if I think it's gonna start pumping, which it's kind of pumping right now. This is kind of turning into what's that dragonfly pattern. It's a dragonfly, which is a buy order pattern. But gotta wait till that closes. Anyways, we got VWAP right here. Could reject it straight down now. And then if it's going down, you're gonna hear, of course,
Tactical nuke incoming!
yeah. All right, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. We're about to open the New York Stock Exchange very soon. Very soon, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, I'm going to put a poll in the chat saying, where do you think the market will go? Up, down, or sideways today? All right, I'm going to send it. You guys tell me what you think. Putting it in the chat. You guys think it's going to go up, down, or sideways? Let me know your thoughts. Ah, man. Coffee. Nothing like coffee. All right, guys. We're getting closer. I don't know, man. I think today wants to dump. I think today's gonna be a dumper-rooney. That's just my opinion. Market opens in about 7 minutes. Let's see. Oh, you guys think it's gonna go down too? Okay. Everybody thinks it's going down. All right, we'll see, guys. We shall see. The crazy shit is that it has not swept these lows to go higher. It has not swept this London low from yesterday or this low to rip to the moon. It doesn't sweep and it freaking explodes, which is insanity. It's just crazy. Look at this shit right now. It's about to hit the pivot point. Let's see how it reacts there, if it gets rejected or if it keeps ripping. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy ass market. Very difficult to trade. It's acting very erratic. Oh, that's my 5-minute timer that the market's gonna open. Okay, it's tapping that pivot point. Let's see if it breaks the super trend and now it wants to go up. It's just crazy. Maybe it wants to fill this imbalance right here, then hit the swing high. I don't know. It is above VWAP. It is tapping VWAP on ES right now. If we go to ES, there's VWAP. It is tapping it. Might have a rejection to the downside here. And pivot point on NQ. So this is S&P 500 VWAP. There it goes. Usually NQ will follow. Let's see what happens. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you. Make sure you hit that like button. It takes 2 seconds to hit like. Let's see. Market opens in 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Alrighty, let's see. Should be a volatile open. There was a lot of news at 8:30. We had CPI news at 8:30. So let's see how this goes. It is tapping VWAP on ES, so man, this is just really difficult trading. It's between all the damn EMAs on both instruments. ES and NQ are just very choppy, man. If you look at the 4-hour time frame on your screen, the 240-minute time frame, you're gonna see it's complete sideways action, man. There's no clear direction. It's choppy. It's like one green, one red, one green, one red, one green, one red, one green, one red, red, green, green. Like, just crazy. Yeah. What am I going to trade today? Well, I'm probably going to trade, to be honest, 3 micros. We're We're going to keep trading the eval because I don't want to trade my funded accounts in this madness. I just don't like it. I don't like trading it. Let's see. Are we still at 100% on the poll? Did you guys say you guys think it's going down? All of you guys think it's going down? No way. Not one person thinks it's going sideways? That's crazy. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I need to see a stronger push to the upside before I take any kind of long. Just because I need to see a breakout of VWAP on ES. Then maybe come down, retest VWAP, and then see another bullish reaction to the upside. That would be ideal for me. Let's see what happens today, guys. Let's see what happens today. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already, because I'm trying to grow this channel to teach more people about trading. All right. Market's open, guys. Market is open. All right, let's see what happens here. It's pumping. Oh, shit.
Green Giant, Green Giant.
This shit is popping. It filled that imbalance fast as shit. All right. It is clearly above VWAP now on ES. As you can see here, we ripped through VWAP. It changed green from red to green. That's how I have it on ES. But it did tap EMA 200. It did not hit the swing high on ES, so maybe there's still more room for the upside. And we also have more imbalances on the 5 minutes and a swing high here on the 1 hour. This shit is
Green Giant.
really ripping. It's really ripping. It's very difficult to read this shit though, man. There's no continuation. It's red, shows it got rejected, then it just rips to the, like, it's, man, I'm not making it easy. Definitely not making it easy, guys. But it did hit that London high, so just be careful here. Let's see. Might have a reaction to this point here. We're gonna wait for the 15-minute orb, guys, like we always do. Those first 15 minutes, that's where you get cooked. So be careful. It might look like a green giant now, but it could freaking nuke to the bottom. Stocks are mixed after inflation data. Was the inflation data good or bad? Do you guys even know? Or I don't even know. It came in as forecast, and as forecast. So it's not bad. It's exactly what they thought it's going to be. It did go up. It increased a tad bit, but it's not something they didn't expect. So that's why the market didn't move so much. You know, the core CPI did go down a point, like they thought it would, and the CPI stayed the same, went up like a point, like they thought it would, and then this completely flat. So yeah, it's not much movement other than that big candle. Oh, here it is. Sorry. This was the CPI news. It did this and it just kept going. It didn't do anything crazy. New York opens a little crazier. Look at this shit. Another
Green Giant.
Another one. Let's see where this shit goes. We're going to stay patient, guys, and we're going to wait for the 15-minute orb. You got to wait for that orb. It's the easiest thing to trade, man. Just got to stay consistent. I've been profitable 7 weeks in a row. Let's see if we can make it 8 weeks. Let's see if I can make it 8 weeks. It's been difficult, even trading breakouts, because this thing has been very choppy lately. Has not had much continuation. It has not had a lot of continuation on its breakouts, so it's just been very difficult, guys. Let's see. It's filling those imbalances on the 5-minute. Is it gonna go to the swing high here? It's very possible. But I'm gonna stay I'm just gonna stay chilling right now. Y'all could trade however you like. I'm gonna stick to my 15-minute orb that I've done my back testing and homework on. So almost 5 years of data there. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen, how this goes today. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already. Please help me. Help me. Let's blow this channel up, bro. Let's become bigger than Patrick Whelan. One day. One day. Just gotta stay consistent. Nah, those guys are good, man. They're D-Money and Patrick they're solid traders, to be honest. I like that they're transparent and they're good traders, man. They're good traders. They're a little wild sometimes. D-Money's a little more conservative, but Patrick, Patrick hits bangers, man. Patrick hits bangers, but you just gotta be careful of, because they take some crazy ass trades sometimes. Yeah, trade at your own risk. They like to entertain a lot. I'll tell you that much. They like to entertain. Oh. Let me lower the air here. I'm freezing. All right. First 5-minute candle. 5 minutes of the New York Open, okay? Just relax. Just relax. This shit could now just either fly to the moon or completely dump to hell. It's been only 5 minutes, guys. My contact drying up. All right. We're good. We're good. All right. Can it go higher, or is it going to reverse the whole pump? Is it going to reverse it? Is it going to bounce off VWAP and then go up again? So I'm thinking something like it's going to go here, come right back down, retest VWAP, and then continue up. That would be beautiful fucking price action, right? But we're not getting that usually, but I hope so. We are above VWAP now on ES, as you can see here. This is ES. VWAP is right here, so it did tap EMA 200s, hit the swing high, so we're getting a pullback right now. I want to see it come down, maybe test VWAP again, and then show me some bullish reaction. That would be ideal, but might not get that. Might just rip, because it's not retesting nothing lately or sweeping any lows. It just rips. There it goes. There it goes. Look at this ripper right here. It's just wilding. Wild. We're gonna stay patient, guys. Stay patient, okay? Relax. Relax. There's only two things you can control, guys. Your risk, how much you're putting on the table, and to trade or to not to trade. That's it. You can't control which way the market's gonna go when you take the trade. You cannot control that. No matter how good you are, you can't control it. Everything might say it's going up, and then the moment you enter, it goes psych. Yeah, how many times has it done it to me? It's done it to me. It's just a matter of, not going on tilt, not controlling your emotions, and just recognizing that, you were wrong. Maybe this isn't the right condition to trade. And you live to trade another day. That's it. That's it. That's all it is. All right, well, this shit is just pumping right now. This shit is just ripping to the moon.
Green Giant.
It is just ripping. All right. We have 5 minutes left until the orb is set. More or less. This is the first 10 minutes, okay? Let's see what happens. It's been ripping since New York Open. Kind of. Well, maybe before, right? Yeah, since before New York Open, it already created these two green. But then it just ripped a little more. Yeah, this shit. You don't want to chase. I'll tell you that much. Definitely don't want to chase this shit. You want to wait for some sort of pullback. And ideally, a pullback to VWAP. But it's, sometimes it just doesn't give you what you want, and it just goes to the moon, man. That shit just completely ate a mushroom, a Mario mushroom at open, and ripped. Insane. All right, we're getting a rejection. Are we getting a rejection? Yeah, sort of. Not really. Am I crazy? I thought it hit a swing high. Oh, it did hit it. Weird. That's ES, guys. All right. Well, this thing is still pumping. Yeah. This shit is just green giant, and it keeps ripping. No pullback. No damn pullback. Yo, this is crazy, man. Can we get a pullback? Well, at least when the orb is set, we're gonna wait for a retest. I'm guessing that would be ideal, because we don't want to chase. What are we looking at? I mean, on 4 hour, whew, this shit has gone to the moon. It really has ripped at open. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button, please. Hit the like button on the video. Appreciate it. All right. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a strong pullback now on ES. Back to VWAP. It just tapped VWAP on ES. Let's see what happens here. If it goes lower, is it gonna completely rip under VWAP, or is it gonna reject and bounce right back up? All right, we got a minute and 20 seconds between the 15-minute orb to be set. All right, so this is the current orb. Yeah, this is your 9:30. Am I tripping? Yeah, I think I am tripping. Hold on. All right, that 15-minute orb is about to be set. 25.35. Sorry, the bottom of orb is right here. There we go. This was 9:35, 9:40, 9:45. Okay. There you go. That is the orb. That is the orb. Let's see what happens. It looks like it's losing its strength to close, but it could be a pullback. It is tapping VWAP on ES. Let's see if it reverses and goes right back up. If that's the case, then longs would be in play, guys. Believe it or not, you got to react to what we see. Not what we want to see, but what we see. Let's see, guys. Let's see what it wants to do. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I need to see a strong push. If it breaks to the upside here and closes, yeah, I'll take a long there for sure. I'm going to do 3 micros. Okay. That is the game plan. Now, if it closes down here, we're not taking a short. Why are we not taking a short if it closes down here, guys? VWAP is right here. We're not going to take a short into VWAP. So it hits these EMAs and then completely bounces to the upside. It could rip through it, absolutely. But I don't take a breakout into VWAP. That is just not what I do. I'm not going to do that. All right. So I will take a long at this time if it breaks to the upside, but I will not take a short to the downside. I will not. I need a lot of confirmation. I'm not taking a short on this green ass giant right here. It could completely go down. I mean, but that to me is a massive risk. Be a massive risk. How big is the orb? Let's measure this. If it's not that big, maybe I'll take it. Okay, yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, 79. So that means, yeah, my stop would have to be about 100 points anyways, because I would put my stop pretty much right here, to be honest, if I take a short. But a short into VWAP is just not good. Not good. I need a short like down here, guys. I need this shit to rip all the way down here. Then I'll be like, all right, this shit wants to go down. But if it rips like it closes right here, hell no, that shit's gonna bounce. It's a strong possibility. It's gonna right there to go boink, straight up. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Yeah, this shit might go down, but yeah, with VWAP right there, it is under VWAP now on ES, but it's about to bounce or hit VWAP on NQ. So that to me is just not good confluences. I'll tell you that much. Not good confluences. Plus, the overall candle is freaking green here. So I need to see like I said, I need to see a hammer. In 11 minutes, if this shit is a hammer, then I'll start looking for the damn short. In 11 minutes or so, if this turns into a hammer with a red and a long ass wick down, I will take the short. But here, this could just be a small little pullback, bounce off VWAP, and go straight back up. Yeah. Gotta be careful here, guys. Be careful here. If you do take that short, just, manage your risk accordingly. It is melting on ES, though. It is on ES, it is melting. Let's see. All right. It didn't break to the downside, like I said. It's tapping. It does. It could, let's see what it does. Again, I really, really want to take a long. Ideally, I want to see it break up here for me to take a long. This could be, a pullback from hitting the swing high here, retesting VWAP. You don't want to take a short retesting VWAP, guys. That is not a good look. And straight into a pivot point. Like, come on. That's crazy. If it rips down, then, that's the one time out of 10 that it does that, Most of the time, it will bounce off that. Yeah, a lot of selling pressure on ES, so that's what's pushing this down. But let's see how it reacts now to the VWAP. That's going to be interesting. Again, the only way I'm looking for shorts, it has to literally flip this candle to a hammer. I need to see some red with a pullback and then go right back down again. That's the only way. But this shit might do this all day. It might do this. Here, 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 here. Like, it just could range all freaking day. Because that's what this is here. It's just freaking ranging, man. Wick, down. Just freaking whipsawing everybody. All right, let's see. Yeah, no short on this. Every day since Monday, maybe last week actually, every time I've taken a short, I've gotten cooked. I don't know what it is, man. Every time I kind of see a short coming, boom. And I watch, the moment I don't take the short is when that shit really shorts. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens, guys. Not financial advice. What is the ATR? ATR is at 38. Not bad. That's actually not bad. It's not terrible. Might not need to make a 100-point stop loss, which is good. Might not need to do that. Let's see how the volume is here. Yeah, it kind of, this showed a lot more volume. This showed a lot more volume than this. Oh, it's at VWAP, and what did it do, guys? What did it do? Pop. Pop goes the weasel. I told you, man. Bro, I called this shit. That shit do not short into VWAP. That shit literally completely bounced. Completely bounced right off the VWAP. And if you look at ES, massive pump to the upside. We need more though. Again, if it breaks to the upside, I'm taking a long. If it breaks to the upside, but we gotta stay patient, guys. Let's see. But look at that damn bounce, man. Even if it reverses and then goes down, that was a pretty big bounce. That bounce from tapping VWAP, 64 points to the upside. That was a pretty big bounce, guys. Now, if you know the Bears want to take control again, they can. But the Bulls definitely bought up a lot right here at VWAP, and maybe they're trying to trick the Bears to bring it down again so they could buy. So don't get fooled. Don't get fooled. This shit is looking very choppy, man, to be honest. We got VWAP on top on ES, and then we got VWAP on the bottom of NQ. So it's literally right here is VWAP on ES. So it's doing this. Boink, 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 boink. It's just bouncing between. That's why I said I want to see a break here, because then VWAP will be here for ES and here for NQ. You understand why I want the long? Because if that's the case, then it's a solid long. Let's see. And obviously this candle's green, so that's another confirmation. 4 hours green. And then the 15-minute. If this candle closes on the breakout on the top, bro, I might add contracts, to be honest. I think that shit really wants to rip to the moon. If it closes up here. I don't know. I don't know if it'll give us beautiful price action like that during wartime. I don't think so. All right, I'm going to change the beat. Let's change it up a little bit. There we go. Oh, let me take this off here. Okay, all right. Patience, guys. Patience pays. Trust me, patience is what pays. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take a trade soon. Just gotta wait for the right moment, man. A lot of people probably traded at 8:30 for the CPI, but they patched it. They patched CPI, guys. Psych. Got him. 10-4, we got him. So on ES, it did break out of orb to the downside, but immediately reversed to the upside. So if you did take a short to the downside, you're cooked. Looks like it's ripping to the upside now. So let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see. Maybe it's a no trade day. I don't know. This shit just could go sideways all day. Maybe it's a no trade day. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's stay patient. I needed to break above VWAP on ES, and that would be along up here. Somewhere up here, even not even a breakout, like just above VWAP on ES, because we're above VWAP right now. So oh man, ugh. Very undecided at the moment. Okay. With the 15-minute time frame, we got about 1 minute left. Oh shit, shit is ripping. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yo, what happened there? 1 hour candle's about to open up. If this shit, I'm gonna take the long. I'm gonna take it. That was a ripper, bro. Yeah? Yo, you fucking you must have put your buy order at VWAP, huh? You listening, huh? Let's see. Yeah, this shit looks like it wants to rip, guys. It could stop me out. I'm just gonna do 3 micros on the eval. Nothing crazy, but I think it wants to go a lot higher. You know, that's what I'm thinking. We're gonna wait until this candle closes though. This is going to be the opening of the new 1 hour candle, so hang on. It's going to be a bull ride.
Order filled.
All right. I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. Here we go. Oh, is it going to dump or is it going to rip? I'm going to put it under VWAP, guys. 500, and we're going to try to get 500. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Let's do this. And we're going to do... I know. Just got to take 2 contracts, sell 2 contracts right here.
Order submitted.
So I'll sell 2 and then we'll leave a runner. Let's go. Oh, shit! What happened?
Order filled.
Whoa! What the hell was that? Holy shit! Was I right on the long or what? Yo, what is happening? Holy shit! What is happening right now? Yo, this shit just completely ripped. Oh my god. Yeah, I should have put more contracts. Fah! Should I leave this shit running? Let's go for the daily high. Let's go for the daily high. Let's go. Let's go for a daily high. Let's get that. Let's leave that runner. Yo, what is... Yo. I told you if it closed up here, bro, that shit wanted to fly. Fuck.
Green Giant, Green Giant, Green Giant, Green Giant.
Let's go. Oh, it's going to come down and stop me in profit. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Ah, I got greedy. Made a bullshit $233. Nah, not bullshit. I'm grateful. Who took that long with me, guys? Who took that long with me? That was beautiful. What a ripper, man. What a rip. 200. Whoa. Bro, my computer's acting crazy right now. I have to shut this shit down. That was crazy.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Damn! Yo, what a rip. Right here, I was like, yo, it just closed way above all the EMAs on ES, and I was like, this shit wants to rip. Nailed it. Let's go. $44. Yo, if you would have just hang on to that long Soundgeneering, you would have made a lot more than $44. Or if you took the long when I went in, you probably made more money. So, or if anybody went in when I was if you guys are watching, yo, That shit pumped from my entry. I know. I didn't get what I really wanted, but that was a massive pump. Right here. Say here. 76 points, man. Crazy. But I only got 41 points. Still happy, man. I'm still happy. It's been very difficult to trade anyways. Very difficult to trade. So we got 1,000 on the week so far. 1,000 on the week. It's Wednesday. Total of 1,000. That's a pretty good start. That's pretty good green. Green is green, guys. Green is green. You did it, man. Of course I did it. Bro, 7 weeks profitable. You think I'm playing out here, dude? You think this is my first rodeo, Soundgineering? I'm telling you guys, I'm him. I might lose a trade here and there, but overall, I win, guys. I win. Look at the 50-something videos that I have live on YouTube. I promise you, the majority of them, I win. Go look at them. Go look at them, guys. It is what it is. I told you guys, if this shit close, and I'm telling you, it could still rip. But this was a massive sweep, so just be careful. It's gonna have it might do a pullback now, because that was a very strong push. As you guys saw, that shit ripped really hard. It actually ripped so hard that the limit order that I put here, it took a while to fill it because it went up so fast that there was nobody to sell it to at that moment. All right, so that's a break with a massive wick, so be careful. There could be a pullback here. It may rip, but it could be a... Yeah, there goes. Shit. What a rip. What a rip. Yeah, just be careful here. It might do a pullback. It might rip. I don't know yet, but I'm done for the day with the trade. What are we looking for now? What are we looking for now? Great question. I mean, if you guys are going to trade anything else, let's see. It just swept the high here, guys. Now you got to stay patient again. I know this was the move. This is the move we were waiting for. But now you got to wait for some sort of pullback, man. Because this massive wick right here, and if you look at ES, massive wick, it swept all of that liquidity. We got to see some sort of pullback on ES also to VWAP, or maybe tap this imbalance right here, then for it to show another green candle to the upside. But the thing is, it doesn't do, what you want it to do. Maybe it just keeps ripping and doesn't give you an opportunity to enter. But I'm thinking it's going to do a pullback. Ideally, what we want to see is a pullback, maybe to VWAP, maybe to fill this imbalance right here. And then when it shows us another pump, make sure you're above VWAP on... Make sure you're above VWAP on ES. There's the pullback. For another long, yeah, you want to see a pullback now because that was just a massive pump, guys. Look at this wick. You're gonna get a pullback maybe down to here, 25.15. Where's that? 25.15. Maybe a pullback all the way back to VWAP and all the EMAs. And then you want to see a reaction. You want to see a reaction to the upside again. And you want to make sure that the next candle that closes, again, closes above the VWAPs here and the VWAP here. This is VWAP. So see how beautiful this candle closed? This is where I took my long on NQ. It looks exactly like ES. Right above all the EMAs. And then look what it did. Massive rip of sweep. Obviously, there's a lot of sellers. And that's what pushed the price down again. But I don't know if it'll give us the pullback we're looking for. We'll see. Let's see if it gives it to us. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm good with 233, guys. I really am, and I'm a good on 1,000. Did I want more? Absolutely. But I gotta take whatever the market gives me. I should have risked more than. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that pullback right. Hammer time. Hammer time. Uh-oh. It's ripping out to the bottom. Yo, this shit is crazy.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Yeah, that shit is dumping now. Yeah, like I said, I think it wants to come down to 0.12, maybe 25.012 or 0.15, more or less. And then you want to see a bullish reaction before you go long. You don't want it to be a red candle or look like that, because you're gonna get cooked. That's a 1 hour candle, man, remember. But that was the move, guys. This was the long move right here. Boom. I should have done more contracts, but you know, I didn't want to risk the profits I made yesterday. We're up 1,000. Maybe tomorrow I'll risk a little more, but we're at 1,000 in total profit for the week. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, that could be the retest right there, but man, that wick there is ugly. That's obviously a sweep of the swing high there. You might have to be very patient before you look for a long again. You know, if it presents itself. If it presents itself, guys. Damn. Yeah, I should have, could have, would have, but should have done more contracts, huh? It's playing it way too safe. That shit hit 60 something points, bro. I thought it was gonna go for the daily high, so I had moved my TP to daily high. On ES, it did. Yeah, if this shit breaks out strongly, might be another long there. Might be. But it has to break strongly above this red candle here. It has to like engulf it. This green candle has to engulf this to the upside to go long. All right, so you guys know what to look for. Let's see. It's okay. You don't take a trade, but you can give us a signal to get in and out. I could give you an idea. I don't give signals, but I could give you guys ideas. I could give you an idea of what to look for, because you know, guys, one day I won't be on the live stream. You guys have to know how to trade without me, man. One day you guys are gonna be like, damn, I used to watch every move that David made. But if you actually learn my strategy and what I look for, then you could do this yourself, man. You don't need me. I could fish for you, or I could teach you how to fish. You can catch all the fish you want. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is the pullback that you want to see. Like I said, it might want to come down here on the 1 hour to the pivot point and the VWAP. It might want to come down there. That was a massive pump, guys. That was a massive pump, especially for ES. Look at that shit. Ripped all the way up here. Took out all these swing highs strongly and pivot point. I'm gonna mark the orb here so you guys can see the orb for ES. Let's see. Yeah, this was the orb. Is that right? Yeah. That's the orb for ES right there. It hasn't broken out. Well, actually, I'm lying. It broke to the bottom. But obviously straight into the VWAP and EMAs. You don't want to take that. It really didn't break to the upside yet. So, again, you want to see a strong bullish candle to go long again. You want to see that shit close like green up here. And there it goes. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. If you want, I'll take a long on the sim account just to mess around. Might make like 10 racks here. We'll do 99 contracts. Let's do some crazy shit. But I got to see it close up here. Yeah, that was a big pump. That was a big pump. This is only for entertainment purposes. If I take another trade, it's going to be on the simulated account that just Monopoly money. So, yeah. And if I do take it, it's going to be... I got to see this close green. I know I wanted to see it really close up here more, but it might do that on the second candle, not this candle. Or it could go completely down. I mean, I'm going to do it on the sim account. Let's see.
Order filled.
All right. There's your long. Let's see if it gets up to here. We're going to do 50 points to the bottom of the wick. And we're going to do 50 points to the top. Let's see which one gets hit. 11,000 or 9,000. I ideally wanted to see the green candle close up here, guys. ATR currently is 49. Ideally, I wanted to see a long up here. That's the truth. Let's see if it bounces here. It's hitting VWAP right now on ES, so let's see if it bounces. Not good. Good thing I didn't take this with a fucking with the eval. But let's see. It could reverse right here because it's tapping VWAP. It's tapping VWAP on ES. If you guys look, VWAP is right here, guys. So it's tapping it. It's tapping it. If it rips down, then that's not good. But let's see. It is a hammer on the 1 hour, guys. Ideally, what I wanted to see was a green candle that closed like this here, not weak like that. But let's see if we can hang on. ATR is 49. Yikes! Oh, I'm about to get cooked.
Stop filled.
Whoa! Shit! Murdered on the simulated account on the Monopoly money. Literally tapped me and now it goes to the moon. You think? Holy shit. Well, that sucks for the simulated account of Monopoly money. And if you guys took that long there, I am sorry. But I overall do think it does want to go up. Just you needed to wait more confirmation. You need more confirmation that it's a green candle breaking to the upside again. Which it could come now. It could come now. Again, not financial advice, guys. Not financial advice. Entertainment and education. And I told you, I was just using the Monopoly money to do that crazy ass trade. But if it closes up here, I promise you, I'll probably get it all back. Probably. if I get a long up here. But if this shit just might want to come all the way down and retest VWAP, we'll see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So there's 11 minutes on the 15-minute candle. It's been ranging on the 4-hour time frame. It's possible. It's possible it's end of the trading day. It's end. Let's see. I took the long right when you were way too negative. I was negative. I was just saying it's not gonna go lower because of VWAP, and I was right. I took the long right here, man. I took the long too. You took the long hitting VWAP probably. That's the only spot that I could see the long. I wasn't wrong about the long. The long is probably coming. Just stay tight. Sit tight. It's coming. It's coming. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. It's kind of chopping right now. This move right here was insane. This pump right here was crazy. Let's see if this goes lower or if it's gonna finally go to the upside. Yeah, I took a trade right here, long. You know, obviously I wanted more confirmation, but I'm doing it with the sim account. This is fake money, completely monopoly money, no evaluation, nothing. This is just to practice. Went all out. Got cooked right there. If the real long, it has to close up here, guys. It has to break out of the orb if you're looking for the long again. That was a premature long. Obviously stopped it out immediately. Bro, to the tick. It stopped it to the tick, which is crazy. When I lost, I didn't lose. I made 233. That was the real trade right there. I took a long perfectly. You know, I was just being patient. It didn't break to the downside. You know, it broke to the upside. But I took the long before it broke out because it was giving me confirmations it wanted to go higher. And I was right. So, in loss, when I was in loss, I don't know. This the most I lost or was in drawdown. I wasn't temporarily losing. Was because I took the short. I'm sorry, the long here. I was down 15 points. Unless you're talking about the sim account. This sim account. That's not an eval or funded account. I'm just doing that just to play around. Let's see what happens. I mean, it's very undecided. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, it's a complete doji. It's a complete doji to the upside and the downside. It's just a cross. Complete cross. Market doesn't know where to go. Market doesn't know where to go. Right now it is hammering. It is hammering hard. Yeah, and I wouldn't be looking for shorts into a VWAP, guys. I would not be doing that. Even though this thing could flush completely, it could. It's not a high probability trade. The better trade would be to look for another long or wait for the opportunity for a long to break out. You just got to stay patient. Oh, the sim account? Yeah, the sim account went straight to freaking stop loss. It was literally positive for 2 seconds. Straight to stop loss. But then again, I did say I wanted to see a pullback like this to VWAP, like down here, before going long. I just took a premature long there on the sim account because it's not really anything. I could reset that right now. It's fake money. Yeah, all right. So now we want to see what it's going to do right here. We want to see if it has a reaction to the EMAs and VWAP, EMA 200 and EMA 50. So let's see, guys. Stay patient. It is dumping. Let's see how it reacts to those EMAs, EMA 200, EMA 50, pivot point. I said I wanted to see it come do a pullback up to at least here. And then see the reaction. We want to see now the next candle green start pumping up. If it keeps dumping, then it's a dump. It's gonna completely reverse the whole pump. It's gonna reverse this whole move up. And what I was kind of saying earlier on the stream, maybe it does this. Completely down, hits these lows that it's been wanting to hit. This is 2 London lows it hasn't swept. If it sweeps this or taps even the previous day low, there's gonna be such a bounce here, I think to the upside. Insanity. But there you go. Let's see if it bounces off these EMAs now. Let's see the reaction. We want to see something like a green candle close up here. Let's see. I took a trade on the sim account, which is Monopoly money, guys. I already made 233 on the actual evaluation. That's the only thing I'm currently trading. The funded accounts, I just have them chilling for now, just because everything is super volatile. ATR is currently at 51, so it is getting crazier, obviously. Getting a lot crazier. This is an interesting point right now of what it's going to do. Is it going to go lower or is it going to go higher? Hold on just a second, guys. I'll be right back, okay? All right, guys, I'm back. Relax. I'm back. All right. This shit is dumping. Complete reversal to the downside, guys. Complete reversal. Holy shit. You think it's gonna go? Let's see. Guys, I don't recommend any of these trades, okay? But I think it's probably gonna go for the damn swing low here. We're going all in on the sim account. This is a monopoly account. Relax.
Order filled.
Let's go. I think it's going down. I think it's going down to the Chinatown here. I don't think it's, if it goes back up, then I'll be down negatives. Like $20-something thousand on the sim account. But no, I think it's gonna go lower. I do think it's gonna go lower now because look at this complete rejection, guys. Oh, Miss Shorty, Miss Shorty. Yeah, it might do a pullback here, but I think it wants to go lower. Let's see, or I don't know. Completely kills me. ATR is at 54, guys. 54. Let's see. This is a complete negative risk to reward here, but it's a sim account. It doesn't matter. It's ripping up on ES. Yes, I think it's doing well. I think it's gonna do a little pullback on ES, but I think overall it wants to hit that swing low on London. It hasn't hit that swing low on London, on ES, or the daily low on London. I'm sorry, on ES. The daily low and the swing low on London has not been swept. It also hasn't obviously swept this swing low and these swing lows from previous London lows and the daily low. So I think it might want to go lower, but we got to be careful because there is EMA 50 right here. So it has to rip through EMA 50, EMA 200. That's a lot of sell. That's a lot of selling pressure. Let's see what happens. Ripping up on ES. I know. Hang on. ATR is heavy duty, guys. So I put my stop at over 100 points. It's almost at a lot. So to give it wiggle room to trade, I prematurely entered the short. Obviously, it's a sim account again. So my stop loss is about 85 points, guys. Just so you're aware, the stop loss is 85 points from the entry. Why do I have such a big stop loss? ATR is 54 on the 5-minute time frame right now. So if you have a 50-point stop loss, you probably popped the account already. You probably hit stop loss already. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's about 85. I mean, if it comes all the way up here, shit, I think it might want to reverse and now freaking rip to the upside. I mean, shit. But if not, it's gonna dump. If this does not break VWAP, EMA 50, and this pivot point, it doesn't break up, then it could go lower. Let's see. Okay, it's tapping the EMAs. Oof, ES is ripping. Let's see. Hang in there. It's a bull ride. It just tapped EMA 50 and EMA. Oh, not good. It's going for a VWAP. It's going for a VWAP. I'm going to give it more wiggle room, guys. I think it still wants to. Let's see. It hasn't tapped VWAP yet, but I'm going to give it a little more wiggle room. I know it sounds crazy. It's a sim account, though. It's kind of hard to lose on a sim account. It doesn't matter. My trade for the day is done, guys. I'll be honest. The trade that I was looking for came, and that was the 233, and I'm happy with that. I'm good. But I do think this shit wants to go down. It's just doing its massive pullback right now. But I do think it wants to go down, guys. Let's see. There it goes. I'm telling you, these swings are retarded. These swings are crazy. Bro, I'm going to do some crazy shit. And we could close out like half right here. We could close half of the... We can close 50 of the 99 contracts at the swing low. Is that fair enough? Or right in between here? Oh, I can't do that because I already have the max for that sim account. Fuck. All right, it tapped VWAP. Let's see if it rips above VWAP or it keeps going lower. Let's see. It is under all the EMAs and VWAP on both screens, but we'll see. Oh, Lord. Hang on for the bull ride. Hang on for the bull ride, guys. Whatever happens on this trade, stop loss or TP, I'll be done for the day, guys. Done playing around. All right. I'll be done playing around, but I do think it's going to go down. I don't think it's going to go higher. I think that original rip right here was a huge sweep. This was a huge sweep of liquidity. A lot of sellers pushed it down. So I think it wants to go lower. It hasn't came down here in a while. There's a lot of buyers ready. So there it goes. Let's see what happens. You know, it does like to do fuckery and trickery and rip up here and then come lower, you know. Just, it's hard to trade this shit, guys. It's really hard. The ATR is 55 right now. So, another reason why I don't want to trade with any account. Alright, there goes the fuckery. Now it completely rips to the upside. It says, cool story, everybody. You guys thought it was going short? You know. Very difficult market. Very difficult market, guys. Deep fried cooked. Deep fried cooked on the sim account, guys. Oh Lord. Deep fried cooked. Is it gonna reject off VWAP or what? Let's see. Let's see. It is tapping VWAP right now on. Yeah, it's tapping VWAP right now on ES. But it does have this juicy little imbalance that it might want to fill. It might freaking tap me out and then rip. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Either way, I could care less. My concern is that you guys don't lose money. So, please, trade at your own risk, guys. Trade at your own risk. It says it for education and entertainment only, not financial advice. Oh, there it goes. It's filling that little juicy spot for it. If that shit closes, I'll reverse and go long. You'll be like, yo, this guy's just doing whatever, bro. This is ranging, man. This is completely ranging. Shooting star on the 15-minute time frame. Shooting star. Shooting star. If you took a short or looking for shorts, this was the move right here. When this closed and broke out right here. But for me, that short is very, very against the trend, guys. Against the overall trend is bullish. And into the EMAs and pivot points is just scary. That's why we're having this reaction here. Let's see what happens, though. Let's see what happens. I don't know. At no point was I looking for any shorts. Just so you guys know. Look how ugly this entry is, man. I think the lowest. Oh, what a chase. Of me chasing right there. Jesus. Horrible. Yep. Oh my God. The sim account is getting cooked. Completely cooked. How negative is it? 27. That could change quick. That could change quick if it flips to the downside, guys. I'm still in the game. It's not over till it's over. It's not over until it's over. There it goes. It's tapping VWAP on ES. So let's see if it gets if it completely rejects off VWAP or if it rips through it. If it rips through it, then it, you know, it might be going up. Anything that stops me out right here will be a complete rejection. It'll completely invalidate the short. I just moved it there to give it a little more wiggle room. And yeah. Crazy, guys. Let's see if it goes lower. Let's see if it dumps. Make sure you guys hit that like button, please, so I can grow the channel. Hit the like button on the video. Appreciate it if you already did it. We are just messing around. ATR is at 54 right now. Insanity. Insanity. Oh. It's going for that stop. This shit is completely reversing, man. Completely reversal. I bottom ticked. I bottom ticked it with the sim account. Yeah, bottom ticked it in the wrong way. In the wrong way, guys. What in the world is this guy doing? This guy doesn't know shit. I do well on the other accounts. On the sim account, I cook it. Crazy. Let's see what happens here, guys. Technically, this would be the real profits right here. Okay, guys, for the week, we're at 1,000. This is just monopoly money. We're messing around because ATR is so ridiculous right now. It's very difficult to trade this shit, guys. Very, very difficult. Not much continuation. Very rangy. Rip, pop. No continuation to the upside. No continuation to the downside. Now it's coming right back up. Very up and down here. Very, very difficult. There's no like, this is a continuation. This is a continuation. This is bullshit. You know? All right, this candle's gonna close. This candle's gonna close very bullish. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit the stop on the next candle. And then do what it does. Probably go down or rip to the upside. Let's see. But no more playing around after this. It's just really bad conditions, guys. Really bad conditions. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it closed above VWAP. Closed above VWAP on ES and closed above VWAP on NQ. So might be ripping to the moon now. Might be ripping. Yeah. Not good. Not good. Not good if you're in shorts. You're getting cooked. This shit is just completely ranging, man. Let's see what it does. Is it gonna go all the way down now, or gonna go all the way up? 3 minutes and 20 seconds to see what this candle wants to do. Might be a doji. Who knows? This is a simulated account, guys. It's not an eval. It's not a funded account. Definitely not a live account. It is solely for entertainment purposes only. Yeah. Imagine this shit just dumps right here. Fah! So some crazy ass drop. Boom. No way. Is it gonna drop now? Damn, son. Damn, son. If that shit drops all the way to TP from right there, that is some crazy trading, bro.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Bum 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 bum. Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? It's playing with our emotions. This thing is. This shit is completely. It just doesn't know what to do.
He needs some milk.
Oh man. It's giving everybody some
Emotional damage.
All right, that candle didn't know which way to go. Complete doji. Complete doji. Indecision. Does it want to go up? Does it want to go down? 4 minutes left on the 1 hour candle. So hang tight. It's going to get crazy. It's going to get crazy, guys. All right, I might want to go up. If it goes up, the sim account is cooked. Completely cooked. I don't know. Not looking good. We are above all the VWAPs and above all the above VWAP and above all the EMAs. So if this is a range market, it's gonna dump. If it's gonna continue, it should rip to the moon. Let's see what kind of market it is, guys. If it's a ranger, it should dump. If it's gonna have some kind of momentum and continuation, it will rip to the upside. It should just could go sideways right here. Okay. All right. Not looking good on ES. ES looks like it's doing a retest of VWAP and it might want to go higher. Playing with fire right there. 20K down. 30K in total. On the sim account. Relax. Monopoly money. Monopoly money. I already took the real trade on the eval, which I'm about to pass soon. I should be almost close to the damn consistency rate. The goal was 50. Oh, shit! Almost got me. Almost got me.
Stop, Phil.
Oh!
Fatality.
Damn. They got me.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
It happens, guys. It happens. But if this shit closes bullish like this, man, this shit could be flipping to the upside now. It could be flipping to the upside. We're going long on the sim account again. Don't trade. Don't do what I do.
Order filled.
Yo, this guy's wilding out. Come stop me out. You got to come all the way down here. This guy's just wilding at this point. This guy's tripping. Let's go for the swing high, right? Let's go for the swing high. How bad is the account? Sim account is negative 31,000. That is called no risk management. Just wild ass trading. This is what happens when you're patient and you wait for the right moment. You end up positive green. But when you're taking crazy trades, I don't care how good you are. Sometimes it works in your favor. Sometimes it doesn't. It might just sweep here and now dump straight back to stop loss. You know why? Because I didn't wait for the candle to close. Pretty simple. That's another reason why I usually wait until the candle closes. All right, so this is going to be the new 1 hour candle. This will define this trade right here. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to need more to get back the loss. So I'm at negative 32, so I have to put some crazy ass risk to reward. Maybe I'll just leave this and see what happens. If I get cooked, I get cooked. All right, well, it closed in a pretty good pump. Let's see if it has any freaking momentum to the upside. New 1 hour candles opening. Maybe it wants to create a new higher wick. Let's see. We're still really bad on that sim account. It has to get up here to erase the loss. It's fake money though, guys. I was wrong twice. You think I'll be wrong a third time? I don't think so. I think the longs are finally checking in. Bum, 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 bum. Maybe I'll just leave this so you guys can see what happens. But I think I do have auto trail kicked in. Maybe I should. It's gonna auto trail at 40 points. Let's see. Yeah, this shit is just ranging, man. It literally took out that stop. If it rips all the way to the bottom. Yo. Thank God I'm playing around on the sim account. I'll tell you that much. That's why I do one and done, guys. One and done. Oh, man. One and done. This shit is just garbage right now. Let's look at ES. This is, it's not good. A lot of barcoding here. A lot of ranging. It's a ranger. It's not delivering out or down. It kind of delivered to the downside here. Yeah. Now I'm getting cooked again. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Deep fried cooked. Deep fried cooked on the sim account here. On the sim account, Monopoly money. It's not an eval or a funded account. I'm just messing around, but this shit is really just ranging. Let's see what happens. I still think it wants to go up. It's just, you know, it's in a range. Okay, maybe I was wrong. I don't know. Again. I was right when it counted, though. I was right on this one. This long right here. Pop. Got it. We're done. Make sure you guys hit that like button, please. I'm about to hop off. It's already 11:04. It's already 11:04. I do think it's gonna go up though. I do think it's gonna go higher. It's just I don't know when exactly it's gonna decide to do that. It just rejected off VWAP on ES and oh shit, there it goes. There it goes. Okay. Should rip. That's a big rejection down here. Should rip. Oh my god. Yeah, this shit's wild. This is just a sim account, guys. Relax. A sim account is monopoly money. ATR is currently at 52. 52. Pretty very strong volatility. Very strong volatility. Yeah. This thing is super undecided. Super undecided. ES is dumping now. Yo, this is wild. 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 Yo, war news, man. War news. The fact of the matter is that I'm profitable. 1,071 on the real account. Messing around, fucking around. We got that sim account, guys. Getting cooked on the sim account. All right, I think I'm gonna close this shit out because it could go to the moon or it could dump. Yeah, I don't know. It just looks like it's gonna go sideways for the rest of the day. Yeah, I might go down. Might go down. Whatever, guys. I don't care. I'm gonna close this sim account.
Order filled.
And so you know it's a fake account. You can edit, reset. Okay, like nothing happened. Like nothing happened. Abracadabra. Because it's fake. It's a fake Monopoly money, guys. It's just to test out your theories. I just don't like seeing red. It's like bad juju. This is the true account. I can't erase that. That's an evaluation. Made 233 today. Total for the week, we're at 1,071. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Trade safe. Market is super rangy, super chop. Wiki to the top, wiki to the bottom. Wick here. Green giant. We did take this green giant right here to the upside on that account, which was this one. As you can see, pop. It went up 70 points. I only got like 40 points, but I'm good with that. That made 233. Tomorrow's another day. Thank you for watching Trading with David 305. I'll see you guys tomorrow 9 a.m. for a real trade. Not on the sim account. When I take trades on the sim account, you guys need to be wary, okay? This guy's just doing crazy shit. But when I take a trade on my funded or my eval, I'm taking serious trades, okay? That's so you guys know. But this is very difficult to trade. ATR is 51. So just trade safe. If you guys are profitable already, just turn the computer off. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Go to the gym. Go eat. And tomorrow's another day, guys. Have a great day. Remember, Trump talks later on today at 4:20. So be careful. Trump is speaking at 4:20. You know, he could blow this shit up. It could go either way. Y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow 9 a.m. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can keep growing the channel. We're still green on the week. All right, guys? We're surviving. We're surviving. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.